Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick look, and I have my Christmas gear on. I got these pajamas from Walmart. It says naughty-ish. Then I got my matching headband. It matches with the pants. You see that? Super excited. So Christmas time is my favorite time of year. Got a little globe, look, a little snowman. Christmas time is my favorite time of year. I like this mainly because, though I am a Christian, I also like this time of year because all around you see lights, you hear the Christmas music, you smell the Christmassy smell. It's very uplifting. It's a very uplifting time. Though all year should be that way, I do really enjoy this time of year too. It's just fun for me. I love the Christmas tree. Excuse me. We put our Christmas tree up 2 weeks ago. That's crazy. I can't believe we put it up so early, but still, that's my thing. I go overboard when it comes to Christmas. I got my coffee. Anyway, Christmas is my favorite time of year. Everything Christmas I like, So today we're just going to do I've been getting into shadows lately. So I want to do, with using my Ashley Lee Cosmetics Clutch Palette, I would like to do a pinkish look. Okay guys, so let's get started. So let's put on, my thing I do before. I always do shadow before I put on the rest of my, makeup. I like to do my shadows. So it's just a preference for me because I'm clumsy, I'll mess up, and I don't want to get it all over my makeup after I made it such a beautiful face. You know what I mean? I'm doing a video because I feel really Christmassy, I feel it. I feel the spirit. I feel it. It's there. I just need maybe some Christmas sugar cookies or something, and then I really feel it, So guys, for the holidays, it is also still very important to think about the new year. It's very important because you can't go into a new year with the same exact mindset you had before, right? That's important for me. Every year I like to practice challenging myself and how I can be better, That's very important for me. I'm sorry. I'm going to go in with this right here. That's going to be my top layer. Now with a different color, we're going to go in with, we're going to let this be, now I'm feeling like I want to change the color. We're going to go in with that pink right there. We're going to go in with this pink right here. Now I would like to go in with that hot pink. Get some of that on my brush. Shake the extra. using a different brush, I would like to go in with that gold up there. That pretty, oh, you can't see it in the camera. Okay. That pretty thing right there. Now we're gonna really get into the other stuff I ordered from the Ashley Lee Cosmetics. So with my, ooh, almost dropped it. With my glitter, we're gonna apply that to the corners. And my husband just got in the shower. So that's a thing. If you hear that in the background. Mommy's putting it on right now, sweetie. Oh, I'm okay. Thanks, sweetie. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, sweetie. All right, guys. What you doing?
Take it off.
What are you taking off? Are you messing with the egg, sweetie?
Mm-hmm.
Please don't mess with the egg. Mommy really likes the eggs. Huh? What are you doing?
Take it off my egg.
Where are you taking off the egg?
Take it off my egg.
Why? Oh, I got a lot on my lips. Ta-da. Alright, so guys, this is full coverage. So guys, as you can see, it's a busy day. I'm sorry this upload got up so late, but what are you gonna do? can't go over there. No, stay right there.
It's coffee.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Coffee.
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of? Ooh, big. Big. Big.
Okay, sweetie.
Johnny. Oh.
Guys, I really like this shadow look. Pretty. Okay, sweetie. So guys, I have been lately, just to get a more natural look, I've been baking with this, with my hazelnut setting powder from Fancy Beauty. So it's not too light because I don't really want to highlight too much. There is a such thing with darker skinned women, there's a such thing as highlighting too much. You know? It's a real thing. So we're gonna let that sit for a little second while we find out our... Kaden, please. Oh. Kaden.
Nothing?
We're gonna let that sit while we figure out our lipstick. Oh, my nose. Kaden, don't. Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. Alright, so let's brush away our powder. Okay guys, now we're just going to do the finishing touches on our eyes. So I'm just going to go back in with that color on top and follow it around my tear line. So guys, if you like this look, please like my video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment. Everything I use, of course, will be in the description below, guys, and let me know what you would like me to do next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.